Sunshine. So today we're going to have a little bit of a talk about Fashom and why I will never be getting another box from Fashom again. So this first piece is the cut from the cloth Diana Curvy Skinny 18 wide jeans for $89. Okay, so just to talk about these jeans alone and not even to get into the tea with Fashom, these jeans, I literally have never had this problem with subscription box before, and I tried a lot of clothing subscription boxes. These jeans don't really fit. They have no stretch to them. I mean, maybe they're very, very true to size 18, but they're a little tight for an 18, and, like, I haven't gained weight. I haven't, like, my weight hasn't gone anywhere. I haven't, you know, ballooned up overnight, and I just find that these jeans, they don't really compliment my figure. I feel like they don't make my butt look good at all. The length is pretty okay, but like you can see that, I mean, I like the color of the jeans, but they don't move. These jeans are very restrictive, and they don't really hug me in the places that I want to be hugged in. And I found that the waist and the pocket, that was all just really tight. Okay. So this next piece, and I honestly feel like for the rest of the box, I feel like I am 20 years old. I'm going to be 21 in April, but I always feel like I get styled like I'm a mom who's like in her late 30s, early 40s. And because I'm plus size, like I don't want to have to dress like I'm older and like more mature clothing. And just because of the fabric and the cut of this dress, I don't feel like this speaks youth to me. And that's a problem that I keep running into with subscription boxes. Like, I want to be trendy, and I want to be plus size trendy, not, oh, I'm still struggling to find clothing to fit me, like, in 2019. Okay, so Fashom is very different than Stitch Fix and everything. And D&Co. With Fashom, you can go on and select pieces that you want to receive in your box, which is cool. Which I did. All of these pieces I personally selected, but here's my problem, is that the pictures that Fashom posted of the models, of the clothing being worn on the models, all the models are straight size or very, like, on the borderline between straight size and plus size. They're not actually, like, plus size or, you know, anything like that. So it's kind of hard to tell how these pieces of clothing are actually fitting. Secondly, I don't like about Fashom is all is that they don't let you know how many days or how long you need to wait to ship out your, like, return your box. So I had my box for like 5 days, and I was like, okay, well, I'm probably going to get an email. And I literally was contacted by the owner or somebody from Fashom. They're like, oh, hey, you need to return your box today because otherwise you're going to be charged for everything. This camo top, I don't even want to talk about it, honestly, because on the model, on the picture that they have displayed, these slits are not on this shirt. So I was like, oh my god, yeah, super cute long sleeve camo shirt. Like, I can totally layer that. The sleeves in this are absolutely atrocious. I don't know why anybody would think that was a good idea. Not to mention, I didn't know my elbows could ever feel that cold, but they certainly did. Also, you can't unroll the sleeves. So, like, you see how the sleeves are rolled? Yeah, you can't fix that. Those are sewn in. This is $37. The dress that I just tried on was $28. $37 for this is absolutely, like, it's crazy. Okay, this red piece is the Zenobia chiffon sleeveless top in a size 3X, $24. I couldn't put on this top because legit, I could not fit my head into it. I don't even have a big head. It was just the neck hole was too small. I couldn't fit my head in. This is the lattice v-neck top with lace sleeves, size 2X, $45. I know I have found this on Rose Gal. I hate the cut. I don't understand why it's like high-low, which, okay, I'm fine with, but I don't understand, like, one side has slits and the other doesn't. The only thing I like about this top, okay, I like the lace sleeves. I think the velvety lace sleeves are really, really nice, and I love that, and I love the color, but I don't feel like this screams, it doesn't look like this on the model at all. It literally looks so different on me than it does the model, which I understand that happens. But if you're going to offer a section for plus size women, can you guys, like, please use plus size models and not straight size models to model your plus size clothing? Hey, thank you so much, because, like, that just, it honestly makes me mad. It's just laziness. You can hire a plus size model to model plus size clothing. It's you can do it. I know you can. But other than that, I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like these pieces of clothing are super overpriced, because I've seen stuff like this very similar or the same exact thing at other retailers for a lot cheaper, and I don't feel like anything really fits that great at all, and I hate being so negative, but Fashom is not that impressive at all. But that's everything, so I would love to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.